Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I am coloring my hair. So what I'm going to do is take this hair that has been colored 10 different colors before I slap some dark blue black on top of it. I'm gonna strip all of that mess out of my hair. I've been fading it out slowly, but today I decided to just go ahead and whatever color I have in my stash is the color I'm going to dye my hair today. So this is going to definitely be an experience for you all to see. I am using baking soda as my bleaching agent today. It's not as harsh on your hair as bleach, but it does dry out your hair quite a bit. Alright guys, so once I add the baking soda, I'm also going to come in with this Garnier Fructis shampoo and Neutrogena tea gel. Now the Garnier Fructis shampoo, it is very good at stripping and cleansing your hair. It's a clarifying shampoo, so it will also leave your hair super dry. And the tea gel is a tar-based shampoo, which is really good at killing bacteria on your scalp. And it also is very stripping on your hair, so it will basically take out a lot of that color. So once I mix all that up, I'm going to spray down my hair a little bit, dampen it up to open up the cuticles, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that mixture to my hair. I'm sure you can see that I'm avoiding my scalp. That's because my color has grown out. If you follow me, you'll see that I colored my hair a few months ago, so I have quite a bit of new growth. And it's kind of hard to tell in this video, but I can definitely see it in person because the black has started to fade out and you can kind of see the red peeking through. Once I applied it to my hair, I went ahead and I sat under the dryer with the plastic cap for about 20 minutes. I came from under the dryer and sat an additional 15 minutes, and then after that I went ahead and I applied the color that I found. I had some Pravana colors left over. I think it was like a 10 and 11 and I think an 8. I don't know. I just mixed up whatever I had, and I added it to 30 volume developer, and I went ahead and applied the color to my hair. Now I know in this video it's very hard for you to see due to the lighting, but my hair did fade out quite a bit. It's actually like a brownish color if you are up close, and you can see that I stripped the black color out of my hair. So after I was done, I know my hair looks crazy. I gave my hair a protein conditioning for about maybe an hour. I don't know, y'all. I be doing like a lot. So I went ahead and did that protein conditioner, and then I rinsed it out, and then I let my hair just run wild. I went outside, played with my kids for a while, just all kind of stuff. And then I decided I wanted my hair lighter, so I'm coming in with an even lighter color. I don't even know, y'all. I might be mixing up the colors. I think the first color was the 8. The second color right here might be the 10 or 11. I don't know. I'll look at my box and then I'll let you know. But anyways, I applied this to my hair. Had no real method to this, just anything but my roots. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whenever you're doing color, avoid your roots to the end so you don't end up with hot roots, because the heat from your scalp processes color way quicker. And I know my application is trash, but to be honest with y'all, I don't care. I've been doing this, I'm bored, whatever. After I let the color process for about 20 minutes, I went ahead and I took it to my roots at this point, just so I can kind of have like a more even coverage. But then I really rinsed it out after about 5 minutes. So it kind of has more of an ombre effect, which is cool with me. So that is pretty much it. After this, I deep condition my hair with the Healing Hibiscus, and I think next week I'm gonna bleach my hair even lighter. I mean, YOLO. I don't know. I'm just really feeling the light color. So yeah. But yeah, that's it, guys. I left the Healing Hibiscus in my hair, added a little eco, laid them baby hairs. And then I just let it dry, did my own thing. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you think of how my hair turned out. Mila B out.